So, right outside the kitchen window. Right outside the kitchen window. Into the backyard. Looks like Daddy's got a little bird's nest situation going on here, and Daddy is very happy about that. I mean, I think that's so sweet. Right outside the kitchen window, and I get to see the birdies having their little babies. Cutie pies. I'm really grateful that I haven't mowed the lawn this year, had it done. And I tried to be there for the insects, like the bees and butterflies. I had a picture on the phone, the previous phone, because I just got a new phone yesterday, um, of one of the monarchs that were in the yard. Monarch butterflies, as you know, are on the endangered species list, so I've had a bunch of them this year from not mowing my lawn, along with a whole bunch of bees, and as you know, if we don't have bees, we all die. Oh, I think that's so sweet. You can even see the birdie blink in his eyes. So I'm doing pretty good. I love you, God. And I may be the only one or whatever that's, not mowing the lawn to try and help with the bees and the insects and, everything going on. But I'm trying, God. I love life, and I understand the importance of other species outside of the human race that are detrimental to life or death for the human race. I love you guys. Namaste. May the God that you refer to as God or Jesus or anything you want to refer to, that source that created us all and life itself. May God bless you all.